multi-layers. Not only did it deal with the music part, but bits and pieces. It was a very short film, but it said a lot. It said a lot. For instance, that when Raza Kazim says about why Pakistan was created, it just one couple of sentences, and it forms the base of what was to come. So that was very well done. And I think the way you have handled so many layers is fantastic. In 14 minutes, you've given somebody who doesn't know that exactly what is to look for when you next time, because this I think looking from a non-Pakistani viewer's point of view, it creates curiosity that you want to know more.
Yeah.
That's the best part. That you want to find out other sources to. I think it's very.
I appreciate that. I mean, as I said, I've shown it to a lot of colleagues and students. The first time we screened it was on my campus, in fact, and these are colleagues who come from some from film studies, but from all disciplines. Anthropologists, English, history, women and gender studies, and so on, and students too. And they generally had very much the same reaction. And of course they know very little, right? They only get the main headlines के things are very bad. तो उनके लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छी सी चीज़ है. They did say that there is a lot, and it needs to slow down, and they want to see, in the sense that when it becomes a full film, full-fledged, they want to see certain things expanded, so that there is a lot of information that's been covered in the 14 minutes. I think easier for an audience here because
I was about to say that maybe.
So I think for American audiences who've seen it so far who are not that familiar, I think there was they felt there was a lot of information. They were definitely very interested. The other thing I've heard is they want to hear a lot more music. I get that totally. It's a film about music, so there should be more music. And my response to that so far has simply been that I am trying to convey it is multi-layered. Baat ye hai ki, it's not really just about the female singers. It's primarily a film, and that was a process to really. I knew that's what I wanted, but to get it into this shape was tough. From a lot of footage that we had, because I wanted to be very sure it was a history, and it has a very particular point of view on the history of Pakistan, and that it's told through female performers, singers primarily. So I'm glad that you felt that did come across.
One just criticism is that in the end it's just a feel-good ending. Maybe we need that, yes. But I don't think the picture is that rosy.
Both that's and there are things in the film that suggest there are conflicted and conflicting things going on in Pakistan, and it's not a straight narrative. But yes, the ending tends to lift us up rather than say, yes, please. Your name?
Abbas.
Abbas.
There's actually one singer who I missed in the documentary, and that was Nazia Hassan, because I thought that she had to struggle a lot as a young girl.
लेकिन इसमें तो बहुत singers are missing. Many singers. Nazia is certainly, she's in the narrative that we wrote. I did write to the NEH for a full production grant, and unfortunately we did not receive it. The competition is very tough, and even this one I got after a number of tries of applying. So I'm hoping we get they do send back what they feel are the shortcomings. It's interesting. I think my own sense is that maybe one, that the budget was very high, two, that I think, and I don't know if anybody had got it, but I think the filmmaker who I ended up bringing on board, because initially I had put the grant through with an Indian filmmaker who's based in the US. That didn't work out for a variety of reasons. She sort of got off the project before it began. That I didn't bring Mehreen on, and in fact, a lot of the shooting is really Mehreen helping direct the what we shot over here, Mehreen Jabbar. But then she had other commitments. She couldn't really put together the edited version. So to actually put this together in the version that you have it, I had to bring on another filmmaker, and who is Kathleen Foster, who I've known for a long time. She's actually British, but lives in America and is a very experienced documentary filmmaker. I thought she did a really good job. But she's on the team, and she is a card-carrying member of the Marxist Party of America, and I'm sure that had to have been part of the problem. You can't get federal funding, so I think I'm going to have to rethink that strategy. So, but I think that the issue that you've raised is important. Certainly in that narrative, that's what I was trying to say, is that when we have rewritten the the narrative and the script, उसमें नाज़िया हसन obviously है, बहुत सी और singers हैं, जी जी. I mean रेशमा नहीं है, इसमें आपके classical singers नहीं हैं. Part of the the problem of course is we're going to have to get. I mean this we had a very limited budget. There was no way to pay. You see that it was very poor footage. Quality footage, we lifted a few things that archival which was from YouTube. We didn't have enough money to really pay and have time to get real archival material out. उसके लिए time भी चाहिए, पैसा भी चाहिए, and that's what we're going to have to do with a lot of the older singers who are no longer with us. So that's the whole process, and that has to be worked into the budget. Unfortunately, most of the singers that we, especially of the classical tradition, वो तो हैं ही नहीं ना, they're all gone. So I did try to get Farida Khanum, and a documentary does not pay. There's no budget in it to pay people who are interviewed. I could understand where she was coming from, but she was asking for an exorbitant fee, which we just simply didn't have it in the budget to pay her. So, Hanji.
Your film narrated, I'm Dr. Shahid.
Dr. Shahid.
Your film spoke of and it narrated bridging of the cultures. Which cultures were you successful in bridging together?
That's a great question. Actually, it's the idea, the way that I approach bridging cultures through film is to provide a narrative for primarily American audiences or other Western audiences about Pakistan, to bridge the gap between that understanding that the West has of Pakistan, which is very one-dimensional. So that's what I'm trying to bridge. Not anything more than that.
I have a question.
Sorry?
My name is Malka Hagda.
Gee, I'm sorry.
Shahid sir.
Pakistan, because you had something else in mind, I think, Angie, in your question. Perhaps what would you like to see, Dr. Shahid?
Yeah. I would have,
India?
if it was a research project of yours, then I should have straightforward concentrated on the female singers without bringing into any conflicting issue, on the board.
Gee.
For example, clear-cut narration of the Islamic view of music, that I think should not have been there. It should have been an impartial presentation of your female singers of Pakistan.
Yeah,
I have heard that also.
Actually,
by
my
the way,
question
that
is
has
also
been raised.
related to
Gee,
that.
I'm sorry, Anji, 8 minutes.
My question is also related to Mr. Shahid's question, because actually what you are projecting, आप क्या बताना चाह रहे हो कि female singer of Pakistan, or you want to tell the problem of Pakistani female singer is happening? What actually you want to tell? Because
I definitely
here
get
I
it.
have seen that you are most projecting the problems. You are not giving the. I'm sorry to say, but
of the
Problems, so they can be
I mean,
it's
what
definitely.
is your theme actually?
I'm
What
sorry,
is
one
your
at a
theme?
time, Anji.
What is your theme actually? I couldn't get.
Okay, so there's a problem with a clear theme, Anji, but
No, I
I'm
just wanted to add, you're probably trying to show the struggle of the female singers through the centuries, and before how they came into mainstream and everything. So I think that's also part of the film.
I think going back to what the first comment Amkinat made, which is really I think the truest to the intention of the film that I'm hoping to convey, which is, and I think I began by saying that it's not. It is, of course, the focus is and the tribute. It's about Pakistani female singers, but it's ultimately a film about the history of Pakistan, and the female singers are providing us with a particular view into that history of Pakistan. And I think that has to be clarified.
Islamic Republic of Pakistan that you mentioned again and
जी,
again in the
जी।
maps, I mean, all of this.
हाँ तो वो तो जाहिर है ना कि
Because
मतलब
towards
जी,
it.
जी, and so that's really what it is.
Pakistan is also struggling, so
Therefore they are struggling.
But
Anji,
here
that's struggling.
we are watching that all the singers are just complaining that what they are facing. But अगर हम इसको अगर मैं I can suggest you कि अगर बजाय इसके साथ हम complain ही सुन रहे हैं, when everybody is speaking about what problem they are facing ना, so it should the problem part should be minor, I guess. If you're giving the information,
Zoe,
because here I am projecting the Pakistani. They are
So you
facing a
felt
lot.
that it was a very negative
Yeah, it's a very
portrayal.
negative. I'm getting
It's
the
interesting
influence.
because I have to disagree with that, only because that's what one person saw, right? But it's interesting because for me, I didn't get that. I got
As an American, you're just.
right as an American, as
Yeah,
someone who grew
okay.
up in America and also has, despite unfortunately my mother knowing all this stuff, having limited knowledge, right, of the the singers and the history. I think that I agree with I told you this the first time, which is that what is the actual theme that you're trying to get at, and that came back to the multi-layered piece of it, which is that there's a lot to tell, and I think that that's what you're also trying to figure out
It's
in
a
your
struggle
journey
for
for the
sure.
full project, right? To see what people get attracted to the most, right? Like for me, I told you that I was interested in like the young singers, and I liked the snippets of interviews that you gave, and I thought that made it engaging and not boring, and things of that nature. But just going back to the comment about the complaints, like I think that there's a reality to that sort of, I guess, negative impression. But I also, I mean, for example, there was the one young pop singer who was saying she hasn't felt anything, and she is saying
There's
that
a
she
class
doesn't
issue
get it.
also.
No, but I'm just saying that, and then through the music, then you see through the songs, yes, there are struggles that are real, that are there, but what they're singing about is like beautiful and hopeful and realistic, and the point is that people are still doing these things and pushing
Despite.
I mean, yeah, so I think, I mean, I personally saw a little bit of both. Maybe, I don't know if it was more one-sided than the other, but I got an idea of hope.
Yeah,
through
because
that.
it would be disturbing if that was the impression is कि ये इसमें, because that was not the intention. So if it's a purely negative, what
despite
would be
the
bad?
difficulty, still they've managed to emerge.
Yes.
That's the message.
I mean, is this
Gee, I'm sorry, I have to do this one at a time. Haji.
Is this even for the Pakistani, because as a Pakistani audience member, I don't think it makes any sense to me. I mean, I can understand how this makes a lot of sense for an American audience, but I mean, there's a huge difference here. I mean, from an American point of view, where you really don't know anything other than
Sahi.
like the cliches. Maybe you're doing a little to sort of